Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we've got another China Hobbyline LiPo, and once again we've got the black box, the China Hobbyline specialty. So as we open it up, we can see the first thing we see are some China Hobbyline specialized stickers. We always get those in every single box. But yeah, I've got like millions and millions of those now. So we try and get it out, and as usual the LiPo is wrapped in bubble wrap just to give it a little bit more protection during shipping. So we can see that the LiPo is quite big. It is an 1800 milliamp 4S, so you expect that. So yeah, we can see as we open it up here. First looks are pretty good. As usual, the packaging of the actual LiPo looks pretty good, pretty well made as usual. So it's 1800 milliamp by China Hobbyline, and it's a MiniStar series. It's 120C, 4S, 40.8 volt, and 26.64 watt hours. So we've got an XC60, so for 5 inches probably, and a JST balance plug. Obviously we've got the warning sticker on the back. No one reads that, but it's supposed to. So yeah, overall it just looks really good. Once again, as usual, I'm not going to talk about the flight footage, and I'm just going to let you enjoy it.